Hello, today we're going to attempt a fog light installation on this 2014 Honda CRF250L. So here's the bike we'll be installing on, and then these are the fog lights we'll be installing. These are the Alpena Cycle Fire. So it's two small LEDs like this. They come with the mounting hardware, a swivel, and lots of screws and stuff. And then it comes in one of those assemblies where you can push the button and test it. They seem decently bright. We're just trying to add some extra light for nighttime riding. At the auto parts store, I picked up a switch and then a fuse holder. So we're gonna put this wiring together and take a look at how it goes. The idea is to take off these brackets here and flip them over and mount fog lights to them. I don't want to put it on the wheel, and there's not a great place I'm seeing to put it on the wheel. So that's what we're gonna try, and I'll update you all in a little bit. All right, I meant to check back in, but I got carried away. So here's how it looks with the fog lights installed on it. I'll turn them on to show you. So this just uses a direct to the battery connection. I put the switch up here so you can see, just kind of out of the way. I wanted to originally wire it up so that it wouldn't stay on. I wanted to put it onto the headlight or something like that. The turn signals are dual filament, so the one filament goes out when you turn the turn signal on, which means you'd have one fog light go out, or both fog lights. And then the headlight is the same way, so if you turn on the high beam, then you lose the fog lights if they're attached to the low beam. So I wanted the versatility, which means you just have to remember not to leave them running. So pretty simple. I took these brackets from each side, flipped them over, and then flipped the sides. So this is the normal bracket that would be on this other side here. But it turns out pretty nice. I wanted this little extension on it to space it out. You didn't have to do that though, you could have put it closer. And then it rotates just fine. It's pretty tight, pretty close, but definitely a gap there. So, and then I ran the wires up under there from the battery box, and that's pretty much it. I removed this headlight unit. I guess you don't have to do it, but that's how to use these little tabs to install fog lights. So once again, that's what they look like. You can see a decent amount of light projected. So let me know if this helps.